Having trouble with Discord stock on RTC connecting or showing a no root error? In this video, I will show you quick and easy steps to fix it so you can get back to chatting with your friends. Let's get in. Reset voice settings. Open your Discord app, click on the settings gear icon in the bottom left. Scroll down to voice and video. At the very bottom, click reset voice settings. Then hit OK to confirm. Close Discord for now. We are not done yet. Close Discord processes. Open Task Manager. In Task Manager, type Discord in the search bar. Right-click every Discord process you see and choose End Task. Check VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disconnecting to it. This often causes RTC errors. Next, flush DNS. Click on Start. Now search for command prompt. Select Run as administrator. Now type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter. Now you can close the command prompt. Next up, you can check Discord status. Launch your preferred browser. Type in Discord status and search for it. Navigate to any of the website. Now check the server status of Discord. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. Following these steps, your RTC connecting error should be gone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.